Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products for you. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care with an exciting find: Nexxus Conditioner Amino Bond. If you've been on the hunt for the ultimate amino acid hair treatment, look no further. Let's explore why this product stands out from the crowd. First things first, let's talk about what sets this conditioner apart. It's not just your average hair care product, it's a game changer for damaged hair. Packed with amino acids and keratin protein, it's like a spa day for your locks. Here's why this conditioner is a must-have in your hair care routine. Designed specifically for damaged hair, this conditioner works wonders by repairing up to 5 types of hair damage in just minutes. Powered by patented bond-building technology and a protein fusion blend, it rebuilds broken bonds and generates new ones at the core, leaving your hair stronger than ever. You don't need a trip to the salon to get luxurious results. This formula penetrates deep into your hair to rebuild and strengthen bonds, giving you that salon-fresh feeling every time you use it. Crafted with Nexxus's H4 complex, it's not just about looking good. It's about promoting the 4 signs of healthy hair: moisture, strength, shine, and elasticity. With a focus on repairing damage and promoting overall hair health, Nexxus Conditioner Amino Bond is truly the best amino acid hair treatment on the market. Say goodbye to dull, damaged hair and hello to your healthiest, strongest locks yet. That wraps up today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all the latest product finds. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off. Happy hair days!